Hi, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Teacher Nondo. So today in biology, we'll be looking at the endocrine system. Okay, so we're going to define what the endocrine system. We are going to look at the function of the endocrine system. We're going to define a gland, define a hormone, discuss different hormones and glands and their effect to the body. So endocrine system can be defined as a messenger system comprising feedback loops of the hormones released by internal glands of an organism direct into the circulatory system, regulating distant uh, target organs. So this is the definition for endocrine system. So what are the functions of the endocrine system? So one, for metabolism, okay, the way you break down food and get energy from the nutrients that you eat. So metabolism is very important, or its function is for metabolic processes. Number two, growth and development. For you to grow, it is because of some endocrine glands that produces hormones. Okay, so another function is emotions and mood. So some emotions are being regulated by the endocrine system. Another function is fertility and sexual function. Okay, so sexual functions, for you to have sexual emotions, okay, are being derived by the endocrine system. It is also important for sleep. For sleep cycles are regulated by the endocrine system. For example, melatonin is the hormone that regulates sleeping cycle, released by the pineal glands. Okay, we also have blood pressure. Okay, blood pressure is also regulated by the endocrine system. So these are some of the functions of the endocrine system. So we're going to look at a gland. Okay, we define a gland. So a gland can be defined as an organ which produces and releases substances that perform a specific function in the body. So the hormones of these products that are being talked about that are released by hormones or glands are hormones. Okay, so there are two types of glands. We have endocrine glands and exocrine glands. In this case, we'll be talking about endocrine glands. So a hormone. Now we'll be looking at a hormone. So a hormone can be defined as a chemical substance that act like messenger molecules in the body. So we have examples of hormones. We have the thyroid hormone, we have the adrenaline hormone, we have melatonin hormone, we have parathyroid hormone. So these hormones have got different functions or effects to the body, and they are released by different hormones. For example, thyroid hormone is released by the thyroid gland. Adrenaline hormone is released by the adrenal gland. Melatonin is released by the pineal gland, and parathyroid gland is released by the parathyroid gland. So this is the diagram showing different glands that releases hormone. So we have the hypothalamus. Okay, it releases its hormones. We have the pituitary gland, also known as the master gland. We have the thyroid and the parathyroid gland. Okay, here we have the pancreas, we have the adrenal gland, we have the testicles, ovaries, thymus, and the pineal gland. So these are some of the glands that releases hormones. So now, next time when we come, we'll be looking at each one of these glands and what hormones that each of these glands releases. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be notified. Okay, so like my YouTube channel, share it to your friends so that whenever I post, you'll be notified. Thank you very much.